Richard in there. There's Richard. I'm glad we can do that. Happy Father's Day. Yeah, happy Father's Day, yeah. You're doing all this smiling, Dad. Ah, there we go. This is pretty right here.
It is.
You know what, Kristine, what I'd like to do is, let's fly over that park where we walked, and then we'll go into Fleming from there. So,
you're talking about
where the
area where the buffalo are?
Yeah, where the bison, yeah.
We might see them. Right?
Might, yeah, I don't know where to look for them, but we'll see what we can see.
Well, I mean, if we see a bunch of brown dots.
Yeah.
Sydney feeling okay?
What?
Sydney okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
They're crammed. They're kind of. They're best friends back there right now.
Oh, they're just. I'm 50.
Yeah.
I'm 50.
I'm 50.
I'm 50. Yeah. I'm right there behind you.
Yeah.
A couple months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months.
So when I went in on for workout on Friday, and Rebecca's got somebody else kind of helping out. So this guy Kostya is his name, and I don't know, he's 30s. You know, he's a lot younger.
Yeah.
So he's like, you're grabbing your back. Are you okay? I'm like, it's a 50-year-old dad back.
Yeah,
that's what it is. I don't know what else. I don't know what else to say it. It's a 50-year-old dad back. It's picking up socks back. So you know.
Yeah, Andy, I'd like to come back here and try to see the buffalo.
Yeah.
Maybe we could do that with Tom and Lisa.
Yeah, I'd like that too. I know we kind of chit-chatted about that, but now it's. I mean, I'm glad they haven't gone down there yet, but Tom knows we definitely want to go.
Sure.
What park are you talking about?
It's over by it's this area right here, and it's close to Hastings. I can't remember what the park.
Yeah, I forgot what it's called. You see this like bow in the river?
Yeah.
It's on the south side. There's a whole. It's a state park Dakota County Park.
I'll find it. Hold on.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go to Hastings over the locks, and then we'll fly up to it. It's clearer down here than I thought it was going to be. From back there, it looked pretty fuzzy.
I didn't know they had buffalo there.
It's okay. They just did it this year.
Oh, okay, cool.
They're repopulating it and stuff or something.
It's Spring Lake Park Reserve.
Yeah.
Yep. Really nice area.
Cool.
Really nice area.
We've done
I
we had a
was looking at
family
the locks
reunion there
to see if there's any ships in the locks there.
Ago.
Yeah.
1, 2.
It's just that whole area right there is really nice. Yeah, I really enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would.
Brainerd area traffic, Aircare 4 is about 10 miles to the south, inbound for landing, Brainerd.
Omni traffic, Cessna 971 Victor, turning left down.
Now, when you're walking down in the park, it feels like it takes forever. You can walk miles, but when you're up here, it's like, oh, it's just a tiny little dot.
Yeah. I don't see any buffalo yet. But...
I don't know if you see those red roofs in that clearing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if they're in that neighborhood.
It could be.
I mean, that's about where the park is, but I'm just guessing myself at the moment.
Airport. Automated weather observation. 1507 Zulu weather. Wind 160 at 5. Visibility 4. Light rain 2000 scattered.
I don't know.
That's still pretty.
Yeah.
November 6 Zulu Victor, resume on navigation, Highland Park.
Roger, turning left towards Highland Park, 6 Zulu Victor.
November 69 Lima, radar contact 2 miles southeast of the St. Paul Airport, St. Club.
Oh, shot.
Sighting, huh?
November 69 Lima, radar contact 2 miles southeast of the St. Paul Airport, and understand you on another ILS-14.
Richard, just so you know what we're looking for, you're going to see the 2 blue water towers, and you're going to see a church, and then you're going to see a U-shaped apartment building. That's where Chuck lives. It'll be on your side. Yeah, I'm going to give you a perfect view.
We'd like to squawk via bus.
The other thing to look for is the Snoopy sand trap, which will be near the water towers. A little window washing going on today.
I see the water towers. Dad, do you see the 2 big blue water towers? Good. Alright, Andy, we're right on top of it. We're right on top of it. I see
Roger.
the waters.
Yep. Give me a second. I'm just going to go over to the golf course and make the turn.
Right here. See it? See it?
Yep.
Horseshoe? Right there.
Yep. Got it in his camera. 6 Zulu Victor reporting on station.
November 6 Zulu Victor, Ed.
Oh, you may have to go around it
There's
again.
Snoopy.
Yeah.
There's Snoopy. Right down the street. Right there.
Yeah, but you go around it again.
Oh, I'm going to go around a couple times, but I just wanted to see. There he was. Yeah.
See it, Richard? The big church with the white steeple, and it's the building right next to it. That's the letter C.
Got like the white border around the top floor.
Yep.
Dad's getting good pictures.
Cool.
Great.
Very cool. That's good.
Awesome.
All right, we're good, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Off to
Minneapolis approach, Skylane 6 Zulu Victor. We're all finished here. We're going to be departing on a heading of 030.
Skylane 6 Zulu Victor, Roger, proceed as requested.
love you. It's the least I could do, huh? All right.
Woo.
Oh, big smile. Big smile. Big smile.
Yeah. Whoops. It almost got.
You guys got it. I know what you're. I know you know what you're doing.
Everything else is good. Everything else is good.
All right.
Oh, it's starting the.
Okay.
Starting the ice.
Yeah, that's normal.
November 736 Zulu Victor, did you want to continue flight following, and if so, what's your next request?
You need to move your legs
Negative.
over.
We can cancel VFR flight following at this time and just go on our own.
It's icing. If that's okay, but.
6 Zulu Victor, roger, you're exiting Minneapolis South Bravo airspace, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Roger, thank you for the help today. We really appreciate that. 6 Victor, squawking VFR and departing the area.
Right at the offset edge of the tail.